So as we started matrix multiplication in the last class, so just I am continuing because I know that if without practice you are not perfect in the matrix multiplication. So again with the help of example only I am explaining this. So here again before multiplication we have to check the order. Matrix A has order 2 by 3. Matrix B has order 3 by 2. On the side write down. AB means first matrix A. Matrix A will be 2 by 3 and B will be 3 by 2. See these elements. Then what will be the resulting matrix have? The resulting matrix is of order 2 by 2. So shall we start with AB? Here only it is AB, just directly I am multiplying them. First row with first column, first element into first element, 1 into 2, plus second element into second element, minus 2 into 4, then third element into third element. Then, so this completes the first row with first column. Leave some place here middle. First row with second column. 1 into 3 plus minus second element minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Is it clear? So we are multiplying the corresponding elements. First row I completed here. First row with second column. Then second row with first column. Corresponding element minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus third element 5 into 2. Then second row with second column minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Then simplify it. It is 2 minus 8 plus 6. 3 minus 10 plus 3. Then minus 8 plus 8 plus 10. Then minus 12 plus 10 plus 5. Simplify this. It is 2 minus 8 plus 6, that is 0. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Plus 8 minus 8 get cancels, 10. Minus 12 plus 10 plus 5, that is 15 minus 12, that is 3. And see the order is of order of 2 by 2. First only I told you. Now let us call this as equation 1. Now we have to find BA. For that, first we have to write matrix B. Two, three, 4, 5, 2, 1. B, A. Then write down matrix A. On the side check whether it is possible or not. BA. B is of order 3 by 2. A is of order 2 by 3. See the number? These numbers are equal. What is that numbers? The number of columns in the first matrix equal to number of row in the second matrix. Then what will be the order of the resulting product? The resulting product is AB. The order will be 3 by 3. So multiply. First row with first column, that is corresponding element 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. Then first row with second column 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Then first row with third column 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Then second row with first column 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. Then the second row with second column 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Then second row with third column with corresponding elements. Then third row with first column then third row with second column, third row with third column, then multiply, then go for adding. 2 minus 12 minus 4 plus 6, 6 plus 15, 4 minus 20 minus 8 plus 10, 12 plus 25, 2 minus 4 minus 4 plus 2, then 6 plus 5. Just add that numbers or subtract depending on the sign. Minus 10, 2, 21, minus 16, 2, 37, minus 2, minus 2, 11. And its order is 3 by 3. Equation 2. See the students, already you have completed the equation 1. In equation 1, and they are asking one more question. That question is show that AB is not equal to BA. In equation 1, you have a matrix of order 2 by 2. And in the matrix, in equation 2, we have a matrix of order 3 by 3. There is no comparison because they have a different orders. So finally, what is your conclusion then? Your conclusion will be from 1 and 2. AB is not equal to BA. And if you are very much interested in mathematics, by seeing this you can say that in general, I am using the word in general. In some example it is possible. That's why I am using in general. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. In general, matrix multiplication is not commutative. See the next one, next example. If A is equal to 1, 3, B 1, 6, 7. See, is it interesting or what? See the question. Find AB. As you know that before multiplication, first we have to check what is the order of matrix A. This is first row, this is second row. 2 row. How many columns? 1 columns. That means how many horizontal lines? Horizontal lines are 2. Vertical line is 1. And in matrix B, how many horizontal line? 1. Vertical 3. 1 by 3. So on the side, A is of order 2 by 1. B is of order 1 by 3. See these numbers, they are equal. Is it equal or what? Then what is the resulting answer? The resulting matrix will be of order 2 by 3. So how to multiply these? See this. It is very interesting. here first row with first column, there is only one element, 1 into 1, that is over, because we have only one element in first row and one element in first column. Then leave some place, first row with second column, that is also over. Then first row with third column, then first row elements are over. Then come with second row with first column, only one element each containing, so it is just a multiplication. Then second row with second column, then second row with third column, multiply them. See the order is 2 by 3. Without multiplication, only with the help of this basic knowledge, you can say that it is of order 2 by 3. So here it is not question, but then also tell me the students whether BA is possible or what. See, B is of order 1 by 3, A is of order 2 by 1. See these values, they are different. If they are different means multiplication is not possible. Or you can say that does not exist. Coming to the next one. If A is equal to 4, 3, 1, 2. B is equal to minus 4, 3. Now find AB. Is it possible to find AB? As already you are familiar, what is the order of matrix A? It contains 2 rows and 2 columns. Its order is 2 by 2. And what about B? See, horizontal is 2, vertical is 1. It is 2 by 1. See, on the side write down this A, B. A is of order 2 by 2. B is of order 2 by 1. See, these numbers, are they equal or what? So yes, they are equal. Then what is the meaning of that? The number of columns in matrix A is equal to the number of row in matrix B. Then what will be the resulting matrix have the order? The resulting matrix will have the order 2 by 1. Shall we go for the steps? Yes. Read on. A, 4, 3, 1, 2. Then B. Here, this is first row with first column. First row with first column. First element plus second element. Then first row with another column is not there, so no need to write next. Then second row with first column, corresponding elements. Let's simplify this. So what is remaining? Minus 7. This is 2. Tell me its order. 2 row, 1 column. It is of order 2 by 1. Then students, can you answer this question? Is it possible to multiply BA for this example? See, check it. What is the order of B? B is of order 2 by 1. What is the order of A? A will be 2 by 2. See these values. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication does not exist. We cannot find BA. Coming to the next one. I hope accordingly with me only you are solving the question. Take pen and paper. It is very simple. So after practice only you will become perfect in this. A, 2, 3, 2, 5. Find a square. See, a square. Always the students are doing the mistake. What the mistake they are doing? A square means just they are squaring each number they are writing. No, it is wrong. A square, how you split? A square will be written as A into A. Write down this. The same matrix is repeating. And see that order, both have the order 2 by 2. This is of order 2 by 2 and this is of order 2 by 2. They have the same number. Yes, the multiplication is possible and the resulting answer will be again same 2 by 2. So again first row with first column. First row with first column. In that corresponding elements. 2 into 2 corresponding element plus 3 into 2. Then first row with second column corresponding elements. Then second row with first column again corresponding elements. Then second row with second column. There also corresponding elements. Multiply them. And add that. It is 10, it is 21, 14, then it is 31. See the order? The order is 2 by 2. Now tell me whether you are following the examples or what? Yes, I think you are following the examples. One I am giving you as an assignment. Try this. So try this as a assignment. I hope you remembered multiplication, how to apply multiplication and when it is possible. So try this as an assignment. In the next class, I will give some more examples, not only examples, and I will explain the properties of matrix multiplication.